Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can delete all messages on Messenger. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Messenger and you simply need to select any conversation. And here you can see the delete option. You simply need to click on that and here you can see once you delete your copy of the conversation, it can't be undone. So you simply need to click on delete. So now you can see that the whole conversation is deleted. So but let's suppose you want to delete this message only. So you simply need to hold that, click on more, and here you can see different options. You simply need to remove that. So here you can see that it removed for you and you simply need to click on the icon. So let me and click on this. So now you can see that this message will be removed and you can do with your messages as well. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.